Here's some fireworks. So happy 4th of July, everybody. This is what we're doing. There's Mike. And hopefully he'll be in frame. And there's some fireworks. I hope you guys all got to see some too. Thanks for watching. Happy 4th of July. Thank you.